Okay, everyone. Unfortunately, I have to tell you that during my elementary school years, there were a lot of kids that pulled the fire alarm in that building. And that was not a good situation at all. On April 13th, 2010, at the very end of the school day, yes, at the very end of the school day, when we were going home, the fire alarm went off. And I was only 6 years old at the time. And it was when the school day was over, and then the alarm went off. The reason why the alarm went off is because one of the students pulled it. And in May of 2012, there was a kindergartner that pulled it. And in October of 2013, there was a first grader that pulled it. And in April of 2016, there was a third grader that pulled it. It was pulled in the cafeteria and in the hallways and in the gymnasium. And 6 years later, on May 17th, 2022, in high school, someone pulled the fire alarm on the side door entrance in the front of the school. And that pull station still doesn't have a stopper cover over it, even today. They really need to put a stopper cover over it so that situation that happened on May 17th will not happen again. Bye.